From Weiden out into the world. Whether Germany, France or the USA, all goods from the Witt Group are dispatched nationwide as well as abroad from our headquarters in the Upper Palatinate. The basis for this success are the almost 3,000 employees at Weiden and in our shops. With a large number of brands, the Witt Group serves customers worldwide. As a modern multi-channel enterprise, it combines the three sales channels: stores, catalogs, and e-commerce. To ensure that goods arrive quickly and reliably to the more than 15 million customers, the Witt Group uses state-of-the-art logistics. Covering an area of around 55,000 square meters, the distribution center is the heart of Witt's logistics. From here, all of Witt's specialist shops are supplied, as well as all customers in Germany and abroad. From the receiving of goods, to the fully automated high bay storage and outbound shipments, storing, mail order picking and dispatching of all Witt articles takes place here. In 2008, DC1 was set up, first containing a picking warehouse, a packing plant and a shipping department. 2013 saw the expansion by DC2, which houses a further picking warehouse and a reserve storage facility. DC3 has been operating since 2014. It contains the goods receiving area, a highly modern high bay warehouse, as well as quality management. Come with us and look behind the scenery of Witt's distribution center. The goods logistics chain starts in the incoming goods area. All items of Witt's product range from suppliers in Germany and abroad are received here. Modern technology is used from the very moment we unload the goods from the truck. By means of telescopic conveyor belts that are positioned in the loading space of the vehicle, single cartons are transported to the conveyor system. The cartons are labeled, allowing them to be uniquely identified during the further internal movement of goods. One floor above, the optical reading takes place. Here, the weight and size of each carton is recorded, as well as the merging of the cartons with the IT system. Incoming cartons that do not correspond to Witt's logistics requirements in terms of size, packing material, or the maximum weight of 13 kilograms, as well as any cartons that have been damaged or deformed during shipping, are automatically separated and sent to the post-processing department. Cartons that are too heavy are repacked into several units. Damaged cartons are also repacked, labeled, and then added to the inventory. Delivered goods are thoroughly examined regarding fit, color fastness, and resilience by the quality management team. This ensures that all articles comply with Witt's high-quality standards. As part of these standards, the Otto Group has set itself the goal of exclusively using cotton from sustainable cultivation in its own product range by 2020. In the Witt Group, this goal is represented in the two projects Pure Wear and Cotton Made in Africa. The cartons now find their way into the high bay warehouse, with its 450,000 carton storage locations. Fully automated storage and retrieval machines undertake the storage and removal of cartons. A total of 30 of these stacker cranes operate on 3 floors. The shelving in the high bay warehouse has a combined length of more than 105 kilometers. Goods that have arrived here remain stored until their onward journey commences as part of customer orders. All orders come to our customer service department, where they are recorded and processed as part of the invoicing process. In the course of this process, the company-owned printing centre becomes an active part of the logistics. All order documents, such as delivery notes and invoices, as well as labels and order documents, are produced here. These machines print around 100,000 invoices every day. Back to the distribution centre. The ordered articles are requested by the picking department and removed from the high bay storage. In the area in front of the high bay warehouse, the so-called loop, the cartons are pre-sorted to ensure the shortest possible route to the order picking warehouse. Using truly ingenious conveyor technology, the cartons are then transported from DC3 via the 70-metre-long glass bridge all the way through DC1 to the roller pallet loading area in DC2. Here, the cartons are loaded onto roller pallets and then fed to the picking warehouse, where they are placed in the picking shelves, ready for the next step in the logistics process. Using so-called batch sheets of article labels, logistics employees collect the ordered articles from the picking shelves in spring-bottom trolleys and transport them to the sorting station. The articles are sorted into transport containers and, in terms of IT, the containers are merged with the batches by handheld scanners. Then the containers head off on their long journey through the container buffer, finally arriving at the loader, where the articles are individually fed into the sorter. The item's barcode is scanned and assigned to the chute and compartment reserved for the respective customer order. Having arrived at the packing stations, and depending on the order quantity or volume, the articles are packed in bags, or in boxes. The boxes are sealed mechanically and then find their way through the further conveyor technology into the dispatch area. Here, about 100,000 customer deliveries are shipped per day via a tilt tray system, sorted according to target areas, and sent to the respective loading stations, where they are loaded directly into the trucks. The Witt Group's primary logistics partner is the Hermes Logistic Group. The bags and parcels quickly and reliably find their way to the 15 million Witt customers in Germany and abroad. If an item is returned by the customer, it is received in the return centre in Weiden-Ullersricht. Here, incoming customer returns are processed. The returned package is opened and the items are removed. The accompanying customer correspondence is sorted according to the reason for the return and then passed to the customer service department. The articles are checked to see if they can be resold and re-entered into the inventory system. As part of this process, the customers automatically receive their credit note. The goods are repacked and sorted according to certain storage criteria. Articles that are laid flat are forwarded to the automatic container center. Articles are stored here in 25 carousels that house a total of almost 38,000 containers. hanging garments find their way into the hanger storage area. The articles are once again available for customers to order. Logistics at the Witt Group. Lots of people, extensive operational processes and innovative technology work hand in hand to supply our customers every day. Fast, reliable and in the familiar high Witt quality.